Welcome to this comprehensive walkthrough of dHEDGE, the decentralized asset management protocol redefining crypto investing. Whether you're new to DeFi or looking to enhance your portfolio, dHEDGE offers a seamless, transparent, and efficient way to connect with top-performing asset managers. With dHEDGE, users gain access to various strategies tailored to their investment goals, all while retaining full custody of their funds. The platform is built on Ethereum and leverages smart contracts for trustless and automated asset management. You can choose from a curated list of portfolio managers who are ranked based on their performance and risk profile. By simply connecting your wallet, you unlock access to diverse investment pools, which are fully on-chain and audited for security. dHEDGE also supports integrations with popular DeFi protocols, allowing for seamless participation in staking, liquidity provision, and yield farming. The interface is intuitive, enabling users to track their investments in real time while enjoying low fees compared to traditional fund management. Before we dive deeper into the platform, here's a quick tip. Did you know that your USDT can generate passive income? With Nexo, you can earn up to 12% APR with daily payouts. It's simple and secure. Start now with a link in the description to claim your bonus. Getting started on dHEDGE is straightforward. Head to the dHEDGE website and connect your Web3 wallet. Browse through the asset pools, compare their historical performance, and choose the one that aligns with your financial objectives. Once you make a deposit, your funds are pooled with others, empowering managers to execute their strategies with increased liquidity. The platform's transparency ensures you can monitor every transaction in the pool, and you can withdraw your funds anytime. dHEDGE's community governance model also gives users a voice and protocol upgrades, creating a collaborative environment. Don't miss out on this revolutionary DeFi tool. If you're ready to transform your crypto investing journey, visit the site, explore the options, and start earning smarter today. Make sure to sign up using the link in the description to unlock your bonus. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video with others eager to master DeFi.